Hello, my name is Gifty Saji.
My name is Amal Eltahir.
And my name is Nico Partida.
We're part of Dr. Ghosh's developmental biology course. The disease we'll be talking about is spina bifida. Spina bifida is where the baby has a neural tube defect that leaves a gap in their spinal cord. There are three types of it, the first one being the most common and the third one being the most severe. The type of symptoms that you would find are hair on the lesion, a dimple, bladder or bowel problems, and in extreme cases, paralysis, muscle weakness, and loss of sensation. And the disease was first discovered by Hippocrates. The name was assigned by Nicholas Tulp. And at the moment, annually in the United States, there's about 1,427 babies that have spina bifida. And most of them are able to lead independent lives. However, the average life expectancy is 40 years old. There are multiple treatment options. Some of them are prenatal surgery, postnatal repair, physical therapy, routine checkups, medication, and ventricular shunts, and so forth.
There has been limited studies on spina bifida because of how much unknown factors of spina bifida. One study conducted by Kopp et al. Is called spina bifida, which main question was what is myelomeningocele? It was an approach used for measures taken to deal with an open vertebral column to see any treatments of spina bifida. Key findings included that myelomeningocele is the most significant form of spina bifida. Another study conducted, which is more specific, is cryptorchism in spina bifida and spinal cord transaction, a clue to the mechanism of transingural descent of the testes, conducted by Hudson et al. The key question addressed was what other defects are associated with spina bifida and the placement of defect. They found out and concluded that spinal cord dictates testicular descent. Additional studies conducted was single center experience, long-term outcomes in spina bifida patients, and caring for the child with spina bifida, which both look at spina bifida patients and how it affects their lives. The mysteries of spina bifida, such as gaps in the knowledge, are a lot of missing facts, such as what genetic factors and mutations take place during pregnancy that causes this neural defect. Another mystery is what gene in women that they have to have a child with spina bifida and then another child having a higher risk of getting spina bifida. Another mystery is why specifically vitamin B9 can reduce the risk of spina bifida in not only the mother, but also the child. And the last thing is why does folic acid allow for a decrease in the risk of spina bifida and how it helps women who want to get pregnant needs to take folic acid, but much of this is unknown.
So what needs to be done? There's ongoing research being done right now using stem cells and a graft mechanism, and the surgery actually is done while the baby is still in the womb, but there's still very little data regarding the patients that have spina bifida, and we need to develop a protocol for clinics and tracking and using all of the information that we collect around the world globally. Right now we have a system in place for the United States, but a lot of the demographics for the patients who have spina bifida don't just live in the United States. Providers will be able to communicate their treatment plans and use of their data to help better find a cure or at least treat the symptoms, because the statistics are not what they should be. We need to know more about what's going on around the world. That being said, if the particular criteria are not met within the timely need of this defect, there's only a call for surgery. The babies will spend the rest of their lives of their adulthood undergoing x-rays, checkups, ultrasounds, physical therapy, and lots of other throughout their whole life. Therefore, the prognosis varies between each patient because there's such a large range of symptoms and we don't know enough. So we're asking that we can get some more clinics around the world globally to have more information and more data for the scientists to. Thank you.
Thank you.